Hello students, in previous class I taught you averages. In this class I am going to teach you unitary method. First I will give you some example. You go to market and you will buy 20 oranges. You will buy 20 oranges. If cost of 20 oranges is 200 rupees, you will pay 200 rupees for 20 oranges. Now, can you tell me what is the cost of 2 oranges? See, cost of 20 oranges is 200 rupees. Then, what is the cost of 2 oranges? How can we find? For that, first we will find cost of 1 orange. Did you understand? First we will find cost of 1 orange. See, cost of 1 orange I can do by dividing 200 by 20. See, 200 divided by 20. When I divide 200 by 20, what I will get? 21s are 20, 0, so take here 0, not divisible, 10. So, therefore, cost of 1 orange is 10 rupees. Cost of 1 orange is 10 rupees because cost of 20 oranges is 200 rupees means cost of 1 orange is 10 rupees. Now, what you want? You want cost for 2 oranges. First step is division. Next, to find the cost of 2 oranges, you should multiply 10 into 2. 10 into 2. That is 20 rupees. This is the cost of 2 oranges. Remember student? This we call it as unitary method. Means first we have to find the cost of 1 oranges, then we have to find the cost of required oranges, that is 2 oranges. Here 2 steps will be there. First step we have to do division. After that we have to do multiplication. We will move with exercise sums. Exercise 4. Exercise 4. The price of a dozen notebooks is rupees 144. Find the cost of 20 notebooks. Can you tell me dozen means how many notebooks? Yes, you are right. 1 dozen means 12 notebooks. They have given the cost of 12 notebooks. We are going to find the cost of 20 notebooks. So, first one, solution part. The price of 12 notebooks equal to 144 rupees. 144 rupees. Then we have to find the cost of 20 notebooks. For that, first step we have to do, we have to find the cost of 1 notebook. Therefore, cost of 1 notebook equal to, what we have to do is, we have to divide 144 divided by 12. Okay? So, what we will get? 12 ones are 12, 2, 4, 12 twos are 24. So, cost of 1 notebook is 12 rupees. Now, this is the first step. You should remember there will be 2 steps to find out the cost of 20 notebooks. First we have to divide, then we have to multiply. notebooks equal to, we have to multiply 12 into 20. 12 zeros are 0, 12 twos are 24. So, cost of 12 notebooks is 240 rupees. First I have done here division, then I have done here multiplication. We'll move to next sum. Buses can carry 918 passengers. How many passengers can 25 buses carry? See here they have given that 18 buses can carry 918 passengers. So we have to find out 25 buses how many carry passengers. So for that, as I told you in earlier sum, first we have to divide. We have to find out one bus how many passengers can carry. For that, this is the second one solution. See, 18 buses can carry 918 passengers. Okay, therefore number of passengers carried by one bus equal to, what I should do here, as I told you earlier, first thing we have to do the division. 918 divided by 18. Okay, so 918 divided by 18. 18 how much are? First we take 2 digits. 18 how much are? 18 5s are 90. 18 5s are 90. 1 take this 8. 18 1s are 18. So what we will get? Number of passengers carried by one bus equal to 51. Okay, one bus can carry 51 passengers. Now next we have to find. Okay students, we got number of passengers carried by one bus equal to 51. Here what they asked, how many passengers can 25 buses carry? Therefore, number of passengers carried by 25 buses. 25 buses. So, for that, what I should do is, I have to multiply 51 into 25. 51 into 25. 25 ones are 25. 2 in hand. 25 fives are 125 plus 2 127. So 1275 passengers can carry by 25 buses. Now we'll move to next sum. Third one, 25 bags of sugar weigh 725 kg. How much do 15 bags weigh? So, given that weight of the 25 bags is 725 kg. First, we will find out the weight of one bag. Then, we will find out the weight of 25 bags of sugar. 25 bags of sugar equal to 725 kg. Okay. Now, therefore, first we have to find the weight of one bag. Weight of one bag of sugar. For that, first I should do the division part. That is 725 divided by 25. Okay. So 725 divided by 25. 72. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. So I should take 25 twos are 50. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So take this 5 here. See, 25 table again. 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 sixes are 150, 25 sevens are 175, 25 eights are 200, 25 nines are 225. So, what is the weight of one bag of sugar? That is 29 kg. So, but what they have told to find out? Weight of 15 bags. Therefore, weight of 15 bags equal to, what I should do here? 29 into 15. I have to multiply. What I will get? What is 15 nines are? 15 nines are 135. 15 nines are 135. 30 in hand. 52s are 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. Therefore, answer is 435 kg. Weight of 15 bags equal to 435 kg. Now, next sum. The yearly rent for a house is 36,600. Mr. Vasu stayed in the house for 8 months. How much rent did he pay? They have given for 1 year, that is for 12 months, rent is 36,600. So we have to find the rent for 8 months. For that, first we have to find the rent of 1 month. We have to do the division. First division, then multiplication. So, fourth one, the yearly rent for a house. The yearly rent for a house equal to 36,600 rupees. So, we have to find first rent for 1 month. Okay? Therefore, rent for 1 month. What we should do? We have to divide. How many months are there in year? 12 months. So, divide 36,600 divided by 12. 36,600 divided by 12. 12, how much are 36? 12 3s are 36. 0. Take this 6. So not divisible. 12 zeros are 0. 6. Take this 0. So what we will get? 12 5s are 60. That is equal to 0. 60 minus 6. Take this 0. not possible. So put that 0 here. So what we will get here? 3050 rupees for 1 month. But they have asked to find the rent for 8 months. So first is the division. Next case I have to multiply this with 8. Therefore rent for 8 months equal to 3050 into 8. What I will get here? 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 8 threes are 24. So 24,400 rupees for 8 months. Dear students, 5th and 6th sum remaining. Now today I will conclude with this last sum only, that is rent for 8 months is we got 24,400 rupees. Remaining topic we will do in next class. Thank you children.